India has stopped all kind of trade with Pakistan, and how that will impact our neighboring nation. To explain all this, we have FIEO CEO Dr. Ajay Sahai with us. Sir, can you explain that how the decision to stop all kind of trade with Pakistan will actually impact Pakistan more and India less, but in what quantity, how much it will impact Pakistan's economy?
In fact, the decision taken by India to stop all trade with Pakistan will have huge significance, not only from the industry in Pakistan, but also for the people in Pakistan. If you look into India's exports and imports to Pakistan and imports from Pakistan, in last 10 months, we have seen around $500 million of exports and import. It is quite insignificant when I'm looking into India's overall export of import of around $1,000 billion. Our export is roughly $500 million. Import from them is less than $0.4 million. We are importing little bit of copper, rock salt, and raw hats and skin from Pakistan. What we are exporting more are the pharmaceutical products, including medical and diagnostic equipment product, organic chemicals, auto components, cotton yarn. These are required either by the public in Pakistan or by the industry in Pakistan. Indian pharma are known for their cost effectiveness worldwide. And on a general estimate, what India is exporting to Pakistan, if the same drugs have to be imported from European Union, the cost will vary between 400% to 1000%, and probably the consumer has to pay a price for that. So that's quite challenging. The raw material which India was supplying to them, that will not be available. Even if it comes from a different route, the freight cost will be enormous, and that will impact the competitiveness of the industry. So it's definitely a very challenging time for the Pakistan, as their economy is not doing well. They are short of foreign exchange. Now, if they import a product at 400 to 1000 times more, probably their cost will go haywire and it will further drain their foreign exchange reserve. So far, Indian industry is concerned because we are exporting some of the products, but India's exports are fairly widespread. We have diversified that. We will further diversifying into the Indian domestic market is vibrant, and therefore I can assure that Indian industry in any case will not be impacted. The challenge will be for the Pakistan economy. The challenge will be for the Pakistan industry and for the people of Pakistan.
Specifically coming to the pharma sector, there are so many drugs which we supply to the Pakistan. Now, what will be the quantity of that drug, how much trade we do in pharma sector, and what kind of drug specifically we do supply to Pakistan? I guess there are some very important drugs also and medicines which go to Pakistan from India.
If you recall, at one point of time in the past, also Pakistan stopped all trade with India. Subsequently, they realized they can't live without the pharmaceutical from India, and they opened the pharmaceutical sectors. We are supplying all kind of pharma products to them, but we are focusing more on the drugs which are required for children in Pakistan, as well as the cancer patient and other related disease. A lot of patients are coming for to India also for treatment. Now with the visa facility going haywire, probably that will also not be available. The drugs, if imported from other sources, will be very costly, and therefore probably from the patient point of view, it will be a huge setback to them. So it's a very difficult situation which Pakistan is in, and probably in times to come it will aggravate further only.
We normally witness that in earlier days, Pakistan used the third country route to get Indian whatever Indian products they need. What will happen this time? Because there is a notification just 2 days ago. What will be that? What will be impact of that particular notification? Will that route be also dried up after this?
In fact, the notification issued by the government of India is very clear. We have snapped all trade ties with Pakistan. It not only includes direct export from India, it includes the transit goods, it also includes the third country export. As you told, in the past we have seen that a lot of products of Indian were going through the Middle East route or through the Singapore route to Pakistan, but now government has put a complete ban on that. And our idea is basically to drive the supply line with Pakistan, and probably with that happening, there will be huge pressure in Pakistan.
So, as Mr. Sahai is saying that there will be pressure on Pakistan because we have snapped all kind of trade with Pakistan, and not just pharmaceutical, but many more industries will suffer after this trade ban. And we are actually fighting Pakistan on several fronts, but this trade front is not no less important. And if we will dry up their supply system, then the economy of Pakistan will suffer a lot. With camera person Sanjeev Kumar, it's Kumar Kunal from India Today from Delhi.